Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now some more from the latest Business and Consumer Confidence Survey. Fewer businesses felt their finances would improve going forward. Head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says in the latest survey conducted in the last quarter of 2023, just over half of the 100 respondents felt their company's earnings and finances generally would improve.
When we looked at the data, fourth quarter of 2022, 80% said that we expect the firm's finance to improve. That, in fact, went up to 83% in the third quarter of 2023. So up to then, businesses are saying, we believe that our firm's finances are going to be good. Remember, profit levels, etc., they spoke to. But that fell to 55.3% in the fourth quarter of 2023.
Now, 30.5% of businesses polled felt their finances would remain the same, while 3.2% believed things would get worse. Now to a story we promised you yesterday. A $1.5 million investment has been made to bring the Dinner in the Sky concept to Jamaica. Currently, preparatory work is being done in Negril. Jamaica is one of the latest destinations to have on offer the elevated dining experience.
Dinner in the Sky is a novelty restaurant where 22 diners are elevated up to 45 feet high, 45 meters high in the sky. We are located in 67 different countries. Jamaica is the 68th country to have Dinner in the Sky.
Samantha Kayaslor is CEO of Dinner in the Sky Jamaica. She says the service will begin in August this year and prices per person can go up to about $300.
So we start at $220 USD per person, and that's with our brunch. We serve brunch on Saturdays and Sundays, and we have VIP raised up to 300 to 310 USD per person. Yeah.
And that's all-inclusive?
It is all-inclusive. It includes your food, your entertainment, transportation if you need in the Negril or Hanover local areas. And also we have live DJ in the sky 45 meters high while you're having your meal.
This is the first time the concept is being offered in the English-speaking Caribbean. Dinner in the Sky Punta Cana is a popular spot in the Dominican Republic with prices starting at $165. Dinner in the Sky Jamaica says so far about 50 locals have been employed on the project.
We actually have locals doing all of our groundwork right now. They're working our construction, they're doing our marketing. So since we've started here in Jamaica, all that we've hired is locals.
Now, after 2 consecutive days of intervention in the foreign currency market by the Bank of Jamaica, the Jamaican dollar made ground on the U.S. currency. The J dollar gained 29 cents at the close of trading, selling for an average making the greenback now going for an average $155.87. Now today's intervention, the second since the start of the year, brought to a total $50 million the value of intervention so far this year. Now looking at the other benchmarks, the Canadian dollar is going for $115.85. The pound is selling for $196.91, while the euro is trading for $172.73. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 1,468 points today, while the junior market index increased by 11 points. Among the 39 winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, First Rock Real Estate Investment Jamaican Dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Stanley Motor, and Main Event Entertainment Group. Now the 31 losers were led by Sterling Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Margaritaville Turks, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares was next, and General Accident Insurance closed the top losers. 21 stocks ended the session trading at the same price they started in the morning. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.